Your car is making noises that suggest its engine is about to kick the bucket, and money is tight. Or, more to the point, there isn't any money. But luckily, you have found a way to get a car on the cheap. A friend of a friend has turned you on to a big secret, and you're going to go to a public auction where you can get a great car for next to nothing. Yeah, right. How about using some common sense? Cars at public auctions are being sold there because there is a reason. And remember, at public auctions, all cars are typically sold as is with zero warranty. But you say they come from dealers who have too many cars and just want to dump some to reduce inventory? Oh, you are so wrong on that one. True, a lot of the cars come from dealers, but they're cars that are considered too far gone for retail sales. In most states, when a licensed dealer sells a car, that dealer is required to guarantee the car and guarantee the paperwork that goes with the car. So, when a dealer takes a car on trade that needs too much work or has a spotted history, either one could make a car not practical to sell to a retail customer. They ship it off to a public auction. So, if it's too expensive for the dealer who has a shop, who employs skilled technicians, who has all the special tools needed to make repairs profitably, who buys parts far cheaper than you ever will, how can it be practical for you, who has none of these things at your disposal, to resurrect it? It typically isn't. Granted, once in a while a dealer may make a mistake, but that's pretty rare. So, scoring a real bargain is also pretty rare. Next, you need to know that dealers have access to dealer-only auctions, which are tightly controlled, where they can sell their overstock cars at a better price. These are auctions where the public is not allowed. So, if the car has value and doesn't need too much work, the dealer takes the car to the dealer-only auction, where they have to disclose any defects and problems with paperwork or history. The car brings a lot more money at these auctions. So again, there is no reason to send a car to the public auction, unless it's a real clunker in some manner. But you say you'll be looking for a car being sold by an individual rather than a dealer. But that begs the question of why would someone sell a really good car at a public auction where the prices are always low? Again, it makes no sense when nearly every dealer will pay good money for a clean used car. So, the very argument you use to justify buying at a public auction works against your theory. The prices are very low, which says the cars are probably very low value and not highly desirable. Of course, if you have a lot of experience with cars and really know what you're doing, you might be able to snag a sleeper. But for most folks, it isn't any different than going down to the corner and shooting craps or playing cards expecting to come away with a big winner. It usually doesn't happen. Remember, buying at a public auction is very risky, and you have to be okay with a minimal inspection, no road test, and dealing strictly as is where is. Auctions are best left to the pros. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.